Feeling intimidated by the gym? You're not alone. Did you know that you can build strength without any equipment? Imagine getting stronger in just 10 minutes a day, right from your living room. Let's dive into a simple yet effective daily routine anyone can do. Here's what's coming up: a complete 10-minute strength routine that targets all major muscle groups. We'll cover each exercise, tips for proper form, and how to get the most out of your time. Let's start with a quick warm-up. Begin with arm circles for 30 seconds to get your blood flowing. Set your timer and let's get moving. First up, bodyweight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and lower down as if sitting in a chair. Aim for 10 reps. This will strengthen your legs and core. Now, let's move to push-ups. If traditional push-ups are too tough, start on your knees. Do 8 to 10 reps. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Next, we have lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs and aim for 10 reps on each side. Feeling stronger yet? Let's keep going. Next is the plank. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your body in a straight line. This engages your entire core and helps improve stability. Let's move to glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Lift your hips toward the ceiling for 10 reps. This targets your glutes and lower back. Now let's do some bicycle crunches. Alternate touching your elbows to the opposite knee. Aim for 15 reps on each side. This is great for your abdominal muscles. Almost done. Let's finish strong. Finish with 1 minute of jumping jacks to elevate your heart rate. This helps with overall conditioning and burns extra calories. Great job. Remember to cool down and stretch afterward. Consistency is key. Try this routine daily to build strength at home. Like what you learned today? We'll have more routines coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming workouts. Join our fitness journey and let's get stronger together.